So we're now at the Glacier Lake, below Mount Cook. So prepare to be amazed. These are the mountains around it, and here is the Glacier Lake. Here's all the dangers. Unstable icebergs. Icebergs can move and spin violently at any moment. Keep at a safe distance. Can you see that big one on the right? Glacier terminal face is very unstable. Ice can break off from above or rise violently from below. Keep at a safe distance. Extreme cold. The water is only 3 degrees Celsius. Surge wave. Ice can carve off the glacier and create a large wave. Thin ice. When the lake is frozen, ice is not safe to walk on. Your safety is your responsibility. Look at these amazing icebergs. Bits of the lake are actually frozen. You can hear it melting. So here we go from this end. Moving along. And there is Mount Cook. And at the bottom there, it's quite dark because it's covered in stones, dark, but there's the glacier that, if that broke off, could cause a surge wave all the way down the wave, all the way down the lake. It's just magnificent. This is the end of the Hooker Valley track. There's a big table there where you can sit and have your breakfast or your lunch. We've passed 4 people who got here for dawn, and we're here at about 8:30 in the morning. Absolutely beautiful.